Hey everybody, Dave Bartosiak with Trending Stocks at Zacks.com. There is every reason to think that in the coming years, Mars and its mysteries will become increasingly familiar to the inhabitants of the planet Earth. That was my best Carl Sagan impression. If you don't know who that is, Google it. Rising from the post-pandemic ashes, private companies have their eyes on the skies. Way up, in fact, to Mars. There are now a host of companies involved in the new space race. There are space tourism companies like Virgin Galactic. There are satellite technology companies like Maxar and Iridium, and plenty of others which offer technologies that are valuable to NASA's Jet Propulsion Lab. Just today, LightPath Technologies announced it plans to participate in the Mars exploration program. There's even a space ETF with the appropriately named ticker UFO. Which of these stocks has staying power beyond the headlines? Let's take a closer look on Zacks.com to figure it all out. So first, we're going to take a look at LightPath, since this has been in the headlines. Again, LightPath ticker LPTH. Of course, maybe I should underline it and not just color over it for you guys. I'm on the detailed estimates page here on Zacks.com, and let's take a look. So first and foremost, right now we have it as a Zacks rank number 5 strong sell. That's no good. Well, why? Now let me explain why. Let's take a look at these detailed estimates like we said. So here, as we scroll down, we can see in the agreement section that over the course of the last 30 days, you have an analyst cutting their number for the current quarter, for the current year, and next year. What that's done to the Zacks consensus estimate here is it's cut it from 2 cents, well, really 3 cents down to 2 cents. Next quarter, 4 cents down to 3 cents. That's just it sort of falling off. But here you can really see 30 days ago, they were expecting 6 cents EPS for the current year. That has dropped to a break even on the year. And next year, from 16 cents to 13 cents. So that's the reason why you get that Zacks rank number 5 strong sell there, because of those earnings estimates moving in the wrong direction. Now let's take a look at Virgin Galactic, also on their detailed estimates page, the ticker SPCE, space, not spice. Zacks rank number 4 sell right now also. Look at these style scores: an F for value, a D for growth, a D for momentum, and an overall VGM composite score of F. So in terms of being in the good graces of the Zacks rank, this is not. And why? Again, same scenario here where you have over the last 30 days, analysts cutting their estimates for the current quarter, current year, and next year. What has that done to the overall consensus? Well, it's dropped it from a 29-cent loss to a 31-cent loss this quarter. Current year, 104. Well, really, it was just 46 cents. Then it went to 104. Then down to a $1.11 of losses. Here you get a little bit of up and down action, as really 90 days ago it was a 67-cent loss was projected. But 59 back down to 60, so that's the reason for that. So far we are 0 for 2. Let's take a look at Maxar. Again, on the detailed estimates page, ticker MAXR, Zacks rank number 4 sell. Style scores look a little bit better, but if you look overall, this industry, satellite and communication, bottom 31% of our Zacks industry rank. So that's telling me a lot of these stocks are not going to be in the good graces of our Zacks rank. Now here you have a little bit of mixed bag. So there's some analysts increasing their estimates, some analysts decreasing their estimates, okay? But what's the overall impact of the Zacks consensus? This is really where it counts. Now we have current quarter estimates going up. That's a good thing. Next quarter also going up, a good thing. Look at this sort of bouncing around. Current year, they thought they were going to lose 93 cents, and then nope, we're going to make 2 cents. Nope, we're going to make 29 cents. Oh, no, we're going to lose 48 cents. So all over the place, a little bit erratic. But that's, I think, what you can expect out of sort of these higher beta, speculative stocks. Same thing next year, 115 down to 105, 119, 132. So at least it's sort of moving in the right direction. You do have some growth here. So I think among the three, this is probably the most decent. But if you're talking about EPS growth, it looks staggering, right? But the revenue growth is really not all that. So I think they're just becoming more efficient and effective. They're paying off. They're not making a ton more money, but they're just being better with their money, I think. So still, Zacks ranked number 4. Sell. And then you have Iridium, ticker IRDM. We're also still on the detailed estimates page. This one right down the middle of the line, Zacks rank number 3 hold, VGM composite of C within that same industry. Scroll down and take a look at what these estimates have been doing. 2 to the downside here, 1, 2 to the upside. So a little bit of a mixed bag. Overall effect of the consensus dropped a little bit from a 6-cent loss to an 8-cent loss, 4-cent loss to a 5-cent loss, 19-cent loss to 21-cent loss, and 7 cents to 8 cents. So not a lot of activity. So that's why you're seeing this as a Zacks rank number 3 hold right now. The last thing I want to take a look at is that ETF with the ticker UFO. I pulled this up on Zacks here. I just entered UFO, went to the holdings. This can give you some ideas. So as you scroll down here, this is how you can find new stocks to put on your radar. So Laurel Space and Communications. I didn't even know this stock existed. Then again, not a lot of people do, seeing as it only trades 25,000 shares a day with an $809 million market cap. But again, something to take a look at. Then you have Viasat. This is the Zacks rank number 2 buy. That's a good thing. Maybe something to explore here. Gillett Satellite, no Zacks rank. When you see no Zacks rank, it means that analysts haven't been giving us their estimates, so we can't even come up with a rank for it. So those are typically going to be your smaller cap stocks that are not really on the radar. You have Orbcom here. Whenever you see a spike up like this, this is typically a buyout or something, so I'd have to do some more research there. But this is an idea of just how to get stocks to take a look at, to put on your radar, and then how to analyze them with the help of Zacks.com and our Zacks rank. Every time you share this video, Marvin the Martian narrowly misses Earth with his Illudium Q36 explosive space modulator. Check out Zacks.com/promo for this week's promotion on blockchain innovators run by the second most ruggedly handsome man at Zacks. Be sure to follow the author, subscribe to the YouTube channel, Twitter @Bartosiastics, and come back for all the action with Zacks.com. I'm Dave Bartosiak.